my name is Ceech. This is
Joy.
This is
Sophie.
And we're going to break down and show you what we're going to do in class today. Okay, so for our first 4 count, just the first 4 count, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the right knee. Right knee is going to come up, okay? So everybody, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're not going to break down. We're not going to go side to side. We're just going to go straight up and down, okay? As I bring the right knee up, notice the hip is sitting. The hip is going to sit down, okay? So what we don't want to do is 1, 2, 3, just standing straight. We want to sit as the right knee come up. So let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to do what we call a hacky sack, where we're going to turn our hip. So we're gonna bring the heel to the outside, heel to the inside. So we're gonna alternate. Outside, inside, outside, inside. Let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? Good. Let's try it one more time. So this time, have a little bit more body turn, okay? So if I just go like this, if I'm looking at the mirror or if I'm looking straight at one direction, my body stay here, it looks like this. Versus when I'm really trying to turn, getting my heel out, you see my body, my hip turn and my hip turn inside. That's how we're gonna get that look, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's much better. Now for my hands, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pretend I'm tapping my heels. I'm gonna, both hands tap to the heel outside, tap it inside. Okay, so I'm leaving my hands kind of in the middle, almost like I'm going to touch my heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to step with my left, right, sit. That's my 5 and 6. Okay? Starting from the 1, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Good. 7 and 8, I'm going to zoom my hands across each other. 7 and, pretending like I'm holding on to the fence. 8, look up on the 8, okay? Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. Everybody good? Good? Cool. All right, guys, so let's try what we learned with music. You guys ready? Okay, here we go. DJ. Let's try that again. It's okay. We really want to show how it's easy to mess up when you first learn. Okay? So let's try it again. You guys ready? Focus. All right, now let's cover the second 8 count. Okay? Second 8 count, we're gonna start. Now remember, we start with the right leg, right? We start with the right knee coming up. Second 8 count, we're gonna start with the right leg. So just the feet, we're gonna go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So again, right leg, let's step together. 7, 8. 1, on the and 2, I'm gonna bring my knee up. And 2. And then and 3. So it's my knee and my heel. Okay, heel's hooking around to the right side. So once again, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 4, I'm bringing my right leg back. Okay, once again, just the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good, perfect. Now my hands. Right when I step on one hand comes up. Right, kind of like freeze. 7, 8. 1 and 2. This is the opposite, okay? So what I mean by opposite is right hand is left knee. Right hand to left knee. Okay? Again, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Same thing opposite. Right hand, left heel. Okay? 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, opposite. So left hand, right knee. I'm coming back on 4. So let's try that together. We'll stop at 4. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That looks great. Let's go one more time. 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Moving on from here, okay? We're gonna break down just the legs alone. Just the legs alone. So again, this is right side, so I'm gonna start with the right leg. 7, so 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Jump up together on the 8. Okay, so let's try that one just a little bit faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Notice there's level change, right? So we're not just staying up here and going 1 or just 5 and 6 and 7. We're going down. Okay, we're going 5 and 6 and 7. So it's down, up, down, up. Okay, one more time. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Then you jump up on the 8. Okay, one more time. Just the legs. We got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. Now the arms. We're going to do arms alone. Okay, you're pushing on the 5. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so pushing forward, bring it back in on the end. This is very important. We got to get it on the end. Okay, 5 and 6 and 7. Immediately this is and 8. So this and is a little bit confusing, right? So we don't go 5 and 6 and 7 and we don't stop here. This is and you're grabbing down and then up on 8. So that's the part that a lot of people are having trouble with because we built this rhythm of 1 and, or 5 and 6 and 7 and. You kind of want to go here, but you want to go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So that's the key thing to remember on that one. Okay? So again, just the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good. So let's slow it down a little bit, putting the legs in. Okay, starting from the 5. So our legs together, this is our 4, right? We just finished 1 and 2 and 3. This is 4, okay? So 3, 4. Now, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, we're going to do it one more time, just that speed, slow as you can. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. This time I'm going to go a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. A little faster even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good. All right, guys, so now we're going to try with music this last 8 count from here. Okay? All right, you guys ready? Okay, DJ, here we go. All right, guys, so now we have both 8 counts done. Let's put it all together. We're going to start from here, and we're going to end it all the way. So 2 8 counts, okay? With music. Here we go. DJ. Alright, so sometimes what happens is as you're trying to run with us with the routine, if you mess up, that's alright. Just rewind it back. We're going to try it again. Alright? So let's do it one more time. Okay? So again, if you do mess up, just rewind back, try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. See? Like me, I just messed up again. So we're gonna try it again. Together. 5, 6, 7. Good. So with a lot of practice, we'll get better. Alright, this is one of those routines that you definitely need to go over and over and over again. Alright? So, in the video, the original video, you see that Erickson and I did it both sides. We did the right side and the left side. But for the instruction's sake, for keeping it short, we're just doing the right side. Okay? So, alright. Have fun with it. I'll see you next time.